Alright, number 8. We have the area bounded. We're going to rotate around the x-axis. And so, if we take a look at kind of what's going on here, we have x plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because we're going from negative 1. The x plus 1 is going to be here. It's going to go from here all the way up like that, and it's going to be here, and it's going to be over here. So I'm going to go from negative 1 to 8. Now, my rectangle is going to be like this. What's r? What's this value? X plus 1. What's this value? 0. Alright, so now I can zoom out a little bit. So now, if r is equal to x plus 1 minus 0, which is just x plus 1, what's r squared? X plus 1 quantity squared, which would be x squared plus 2x plus 1. So can I integrate now? Alright, so I can integrate. I'm going to go from negative 1 to 8. Pi's out there because it's a volume, and I'm rotating. Of x squared plus 2x plus 1 dx. So this would be pi times integral of x squared. X cubed over 3 plus 2x squared over 2. Bam! So it's just x squared, and then integral of 1 is x. And I'm going from negative 1 to 8. Oh man, so it's not a 0, so I actually have to do some subtraction. What the heck's up with that? Alright, so 8 cubed. 8 cubed over 3 plus 64 plus 8. That's parentheses. Minus negative 1/3 plus 1 minus 1. Well, that plus 1 minus 1, yeah, that's a 0. So I'm gonna add a third. 64 times 8, 32, carry the 3, 48, 512. So that's 512 thirds plus 72 plus 1/3. So that's 513 thirds. So it's still pi times 513 thirds plus 72. 72 times 3, 6, 216. So 513, add those, 9, 2, 7. Oh, that seems kind of nice. 729 over 3. It does, because I've seen this many times. 3 goes into 7 2 times with the 1, so 1. 3 goes into 12 6 times. 3, 263 pi. Yeah, that probably would be a better answer, since 3 goes into 12 4 times. I was on a roll. What can you say? It's just the wrong roll. Thank you, Slick. I'm sure she did fantastic. I would say 8 would be B. I like B. I was just figuring out. All right, the top part of the representative rectangle is x plus 1. The bottom part is 0, so it'd be top minus bottom. I mean, it's just, you don't even have to put that if it's on the x-axis like that. Now, there are a couple of them that I think are wrong. I'm going to go through them tonight and make sure that we have the right answers, or at least what I think are the right answers. That could be totally not the right answers, but I'm fairly confident about my abilities.